Ever thought of traveling to Dubai as a tourist but got lost with the visa application process? What if I told you that you could apply for your Dubai visa online all by yourself without the need for a travel agency? Yes, you heard it right. This video is your ultimate guide to applying for a Dubai visa online independently, fast and simple. We will guide you through the confusion of the Dubai visa application process and walk you through it step by step. From understanding the different visa types to collecting the necessary documents and finally submitting your application online. We'll even provide some great tips at the end to make your travel experience as smooth as possible. So be sure to stick around to the end. The City of Gold awaits, so buckle up and get ready to fly. Welcome to Terrific 876. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching. If you'll be flying with Emirates Airlines and have already purchased your ticket, all you would need to do is open your web browser and head to the Emirates Airlines website. Once you're there, look for the Manage tab at the top, then scroll to the Visa and Passport section. Now click on the option that says Visa and Passport Information. This will take you directly to the page where you will be able to check whether you need a visa by typing your country of citizenship, country of residence, and place of travel. For example, if you're Jamaican, you would write Jamaica and then write your place of residence, but this is optional. Then choose your destination, which in this case would be United Arab Emirates, since Dubai is a city in the UAE. Make sure to choose the correct options because visa requirements can vary depending on where you're from. It will then show you what is needed for your trip. Here we have a valid passport for 6 months and a round-trip ticket. It will also confirm whether a visa is required below. Next up, you'll need to choose the type of visa you need. Emirates Airlines offers different types of visas, such as visa on arrival, pre-approved visas, pre-arranged and sponsored visas. Visa on arrival is only issued to travelers with passports from these countries below, and no prior visa arrangements are necessary. Passport holders from these countries would simply disembark their flight and proceed to immigration, where their passport will be stamped with a 30-day visit visa free of charge. The same applies for travelers from countries below who are entitled to a 90-day and 180-day visa on arrival. Pre-approved visas in the next section are only issued to Indians, nationals, and Indian passport holders. You can also sponsor someone to visit the UAE, such as an employee, family, or friend, and the requirements are listed below. However, for the purposes of this video, we will only focus on the tourist visa. As for most tourists, a tourist visa will be the way to go. So if you don't fall into any of the categories above, such as a Jamaican national, then you will likely have to apply for a pre-arranged visa. Pre-arranged or tourist visas are divided into 48-hour visas, 96-hour visas, tourist short-term, and tourist long-term visas. Short-term means it is only valid for 30 days or less, so after 30 days have passed, you will need to apply for a new visa. Long-term means it is valid for 60 days or less. There is also an option to choose multiple entry, which simply means you can visit another country and return to Dubai within the 30 days or 60 days without reapplying for a visa. But if you select single entry, if you leave Dubai within the 30 or 60 days, you will need to apply for a new visa if you choose to return. The cost for each type is also listed here in US dollars. In our opinion, the cost is relatively low and more affordable than using a travel agent. Before you begin the visa application process, you'll need to have a few documents on hand. Here you'll see a list of required documents. It includes a passport-sized photo, passport, and of course your Emirates Airline e-ticket. Then here it tells us where to apply. Apply online through the Manage Your Booking section. So just scroll back up, click on Manage Your Booking. Here you will need to type in your last name and Emirates booking reference number from your Emirates Airline e-ticket. On the top of your ticket, you will find the reference number. Just copy the number and enter it into the box provided, which will log you into the portal where you can find the visa information section. After logging in, you'll see a section that says, Apply for Visa, and you'll click on that section. Then this page will appear on the screen. Read to ensure that you understand what is required, then click the Start button to proceed. You'll be directed to the VSF website, which is the agency that will process your visa. You'll then receive an email with a link to the VSF website and login information that you should use to fill out your online application. The email will look like this one. Filling out the visa application form is pretty straightforward. Just follow the instructions and enter your details accurately. Enter your name, passport information, home address, intended accommodation in Dubai, or the address of the hotel you plan to stay at, and so on. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. After you've filled out the form, you'll need to upload the required documents. This is where things begin to get a little tricky. You need to upload your documents in either JPEG or PNG format and in accordance with the specified size requested. You'll be asked to attach things like the copy of your passport and a passport-sized photograph. If you choose, you can also attach other additional documents that could assist in the success of your application, such as salary slips or bank statements. It is important to ensure that the files are in the right format and size, as you will not be able to move on to the next sections of the application otherwise. If your documents are scanned in PDF or in Word format, you can use converter websites such as HiPDF to compress and convert your documents to the required formats. I will leave the link below to this website. Once all your documents are successfully uploaded, it's time to pay the visa fees. The cost will depend on the type of visa you've chosen. You can pay online using a credit or debit card. After you've paid the fees, you'll receive a confirmation email for the payment and a link that you can use to track your application later on. You will also receive a completion email informing you that your application is being processed and to expect a response in 3 to 4 business days. Now sit back and relax while VFS processes your visa application. After 3 days, you'll receive an emailing stating that your visa has been approved. It's that easy and quick. Your visa document will be attached to the email in PDF format. When you receive it, please print it out and keep it with your passport. You'll need to show it when you arrive in Dubai. To wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key points in the Dubaivisa application process. First, understanding the type of visa you need is fundamental. Whether you're planning a short visit, a longer stay, or a business trip, there's a visa type tailored to your needs. Then, we dove into the document collection and resizing phase. Remember, having all the necessary documents at hand, from your passport to your financial records, is crucial to a smooth application process. We also explored the simplicity of the online application system. It's user-friendly, efficient, and saves you a trip to the consulate and, most importantly, a travel agent. Lastly, we discussed the steps to take post-approval, which is printing out your visa document and keeping it safe in your passport. But before you pack your bags and jet off to this city of dreams, here are some additional tips for your journey. Dubai is a city that never sleeps, with many exciting things to do. However, it can be extremely hot, so the best time to visit has to be between November and March. During these months, the weather is cooler and more comfortable. Now, Dubai is a safe city for tourists, but like any other major city, it's not immune to scams. Beware of friendly strangers who invite you to their homes for a meal or to their shops for a special deal. Always be cautious of too good to be true offers. Dubai is a city with a lot to offer, from its towering skyscrapers to its beautiful beaches, from its bustling souks to its serene desert landscapes. But to truly enjoy all that Dubai has to offer, preparation is key. Do your research, plan your itinerary, apply for your visa in time, and most importantly, go with an open mind and heart. With the right preparation, your dream trip to Dubai is just a visa away. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to pack your bags and head off on your Dubai adventure. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Safe travels!